Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show I tell you. Yes, and this is Myojo. This is a Myojo product you'll find in the refrigerated section. This is their plant-based creamy tonkotsu noodle and broth mixed thing deal. These are chilled or frozen. So you will get a sachet of base, and you will get a this. And so what I'm going to do first, really quick, is I'm going to make the broth. So you're supposed to like boil a pot of water on the side. I generally just microwave some water till it's super heated and crazed and super hot. And that seems to work very well. There comes our tonkotsu. And this also, the noodle, this goes real quick. This noodle is going to take 1 minute and 15 seconds. So it's not a, since it's an absolutely 100% fresh noodle, it doesn't take long. But the trick with this stuff is you want to make sure this base is so well combined with your hot water. You do not want it to like end up with junk at the bottom. I've had that happen before in different fresh ramen, and over the years I've learned that over stirring is not a thing. So okay. Well, as usual, since it's something that has to boil, I'm going to let you watch the boiling procedure, and I know you love that. And once again, I give you what you want. I mean, come on, folks. Who loves you, and who do you love? So there you go. And here we go. It is a very, very quick happenstance. You don't want the noodle to get clumpy, so you definitely want to give it a little bit of a swizzle. You don't want to go, you know. That's rude to the noodle. I continue to stir the broth. And the noodle. Come on, get back to a boil. That's the one thing that I have trouble with these two. That's a pretty good sized pot, and it was boiling pretty darn good. But once you add this in, it drops that temp down pretty quick. But we'll be okay. We're gonna be okay. Alright, and I need... I'm working on it. I'm working on it. See, that's the tricky part. I want it back to a full boil. I'm pretty sure this is just fine, but I'm going to give it its test at this point. Quick test. Now to drain. I know, you're looking at a hot burner, I'm sorry. but not anymore. Okay. There's our noodle. And there's our broth, and our noodle is hiding, folks. I don't know what to do now. Come back to me. Come back, noodle. Don't hide. And don't be bubbly. That's... Maybe that's part of the whole plant-based thing. Okay, so what are we gonna add? We don't have a whole lot of stuff. I don't have any bamboo shoot. I generally don't use that. But we're gonna be nice and delicate with this one. And I'm gonna have to take the pretty pictures and then come back and let you know what I think. I really don't. I don't know what else to do. So I'm gonna add some sesame seed. There. Just a little mound. And then some stuff my really good friend in the UK, the Reverend Dick Gazinia, he told me, oh my god, this thing is closed. Ooh. That lid was on tight. This is, God, what's this brand called? Lee Kum Kee. Chu Chow. This is a chili crisp. Very nice. Very nice. I wish that spring onion had stayed put a little better. Oh, huh. It's not on Rotato. I'm gonna go take my pretty pictures really quick, come back and give this a try. So don't go anywhere. I mean, to be honest, I don't think you have any business going anywhere. There. And one more pretty picture if you please. Alright, here I come over here. Okay, so here I am again. Ready to give this stuff a good try. So that's the Chuchao chili crisp from Likum Ki, the sesame seed, onion. A little bit of the oil has tried to escape, but I'm gonna leave it. Not gonna yell at it or nothing. Let's give it a try. Here's our broth. Here's some of the chili chow, or chu chow, chili crisp. It kind of goes together, really nice looking. It's good. It's got a nice amount of saltiness to the broth. The noodle is definitely a premium fresh noodle. And yeah, I mean, does it have any pork in it? No. It's plant-based. And it's good. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. And there's another one that I'll be reviewing soon. This is the plant-based one, the Tonkotsu, and then there's a yuzu shio that they make also that is refrigerated. I don't know if these are brand new, but if you've got a place where you can find such things, I highly recommend it. Certified plant-based, made in California, restaurant quality noodles, plant-based, creamy Tonkotsu flavor, easy to cook. And that was easy to cook. It only took a couple minutes. So anyways, that's it. You should try this. It's really quite good. And Myojo makes a lot of different I don't know about plant-based, but different ramen. They make yakisoba, they make miso, all sorts of stuff. So I highly recommend giving it a look-see. Yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.